How to get unbanned from Grindr. I'm going to tell you how to get unbanned from Grindr. First off, if you've been banned, it's important that you understand why. Grindr does not ban people for no reason, so check your account for any violations of their community guidelines. Common reasons include inappropriate message, offensive content, or suspicious activity. Step 1. Contact Grindr support. Be polite and honest about what happened. Acknowledge any mistakes if needed. Step 2. Appeal your ban. If you think the ban was a mistake, explain clearly why you believe so. Include any evidence if you have it, like screenshots or clarification of misunderstandings. Step 3. Wait for a response. It might take some time, so be patient. Grindr will review your case, and if they decide the ban was unjust, you'll be back online soon. Remember that you do not have to pay for anything just to get your account unbanned.